Alright friends, now let's do an example to understand abstract classes better. For instance, there are differences between a mountain bike and sports bike. I mean regular bike. Like what? There are tire differences and speed differences. So we can go on with speed. So let's define abstract class bike. And then I delete all. Yes. And then what I have mountain bike. I extend from bike. And then I have normal bike, I mean sports bike. I come here, I say sports bike, and I extend from bike class. Alright. So let's delete all. Let's delete all method inside these classes. Okay. So let's delete these also. I deleted all. Super. So let's define inside the abstract class an abstract method. I say abstract void speed. So when I implement this speed method, mountain bike goes low and sports bike goes fast. That's the difference. When I define abstract method inside the abstract class, that gives an error because I inherited from bike class here. As you see, the type mountain bike must implement the inherited abstract method bike.speed. So when I define it, I need to implement it. I should implement it. So let's implement. I come here, I say public void, and then what's my method name? Speed. So inside the speed function, I come here, I say system.out.println, and then I say mountain bike goes low. And then I copy these. I come here, I paste it. I say sports bike goes fast. Alright. So let's create an object using these classes. First, I create an object using mountain bike class. That's why I come here, mountain bike, and then I say m. That's my object name, which is my object name, and then I use new keyword, new mountain bike. Alright. So let's create my second object. So sports bike, I use sports bike, and then I just say s. I use new sports bike, and then what I need to do, I need to call the method inside the classes. So first m.speed, and then second s.speed. Alright, let's run it. I run my program. So you see mountain bike goes low, and then the second one, sports bike goes fast. It appears on the screen. I hope you understand it. Super.